What's up guys, welcome back to the course. In this video we're going to learn prompt engineering for programming, which is the third category here. Alright, so this time we're going to utilize HAL analysis to generate us the prompt. So as you guys can see right now, I'm on HAL analysis, and the first thing that you need to do is to switch from write something to code something, right? And in the first section here, which language should be used? Feel free to pick any programming language that you want. But me, I'm going to go with Python. All right, what should the code do? So feel free to type down the project, describe your project. So actually this time I'm going to ask ChatGPT to generate me the code for rock, scissor, and paper game. So I'm just gonna type it down here. Rock, scissor, paper, game. Alright, so that's what I want to build. And if you want ChatGPT to include cut comments that explain the code, just check this, right? So when you check this, ChatGPT is going to provide you with additional documentations explaining what its line of code does. All right, and I think that's it. I'm just gonna copy this prompt. All right, and just go to our chat GPT. I'm gonna close this first. All right, so here we go. Just gonna copy and paste that prompt. Write code that uses Python to do the following tasks: rock, scissor, paper, game. Include code comments that explain the code. All right, so I'm just gonna hit enter and see what ChatGPT is going to generate us. All right, cool. So this is going to be the code for the game. All right, so we have import random. So this is the first functions. They have play game. It really seems like this is the welcoming message, and they have like another following functions down below. Player choice. All right, pretty cool. Definitely very very comprehensive code. And also ChatGPT provides you with the explanations explaining what the function does, and also like how the random integer functions in this case, right? So that's pretty cool, right? So this time we're going to try one more thing using HAL analysis to generate a different project, right? So this time we're going to change the programming language from Python to JavaScript. And what should the code do? Right, so instead of rock, scissor, paper game, we're going to build something that is more complex. Maybe not very complex, but a little bit more complex than the previous basic rock, scissors, paper game, right? So I'm thinking about building a chess game, but I think it's going to be pretty complicated. So why don't we just build like a Chrome extension, I guess. So I'm just gonna type it down like this: Chrome extensions that is able to detect fake news. I don't know. I don't think it's going to be very complex, but we'll see if ChatGPT is able to generate us that cool Chrome extensions, right? So yeah, I'm just gonna copy this prompt and gonna paste it down here and see what we're going to get, right? So I'm just gonna hit enter. All right, cool. ChatGPT is now generating us the code template for the Chrome extensions. We have multiple different files here, the JavaScript files. What else? You also have content script, content.js. All right, so it's still generating. It's not done yet, so just wait patiently, guys. All right, so now it's creating the manifest JSON file. For those of you who are not really familiar with Chrome extensions, every single time you create Chrome extensions, you need to have manifest .json file. Right, cool. I think we're almost done with this. So ChatGPT is generating us like three different files, two JavaScript files and one manifest.json or JavaScript object notations file down here. All right. So yeah, definitely this is a great code template that you can customize based on your need. At very least, if you're a software developers, you want to build Chrome extensions, you don't have to start from scratch, right? You can customize this template, this code template. It's going to save you a lot of time and a lot of energy, which is great. So yeah, that's how you do it, guys. That's how you use prompt engineering for generating code template for any project. So I think that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.